Having trouble finding a Loom video you thought you recorded? Don't worry, it might just be hidden or archived. As of late 2025, Loom has made it easier than ever to locate these videos. First, log into your Loom account either through the web browser or the desktop app. Navigate to the My Videos or Library section. Now, look for filter options like Status. Here you can select Archived or Hidden to isolate those videos. If you know keywords from the video title or content, use the AI-powered search bar. Loom's AI, introduced in early 2025, lets you use natural language queries like Find my Q3 sales demo from last year. Remember, hidden videos are those set to private or unlisted, while archived videos are stored separately to reduce clutter but are not deleted. Once you've located your hidden or archived Loom video, restoring it is a breeze. Simply click on the video and select the Unarchive or Restore option. If you accidentally deleted the video, check the trash folder. You have 30 days to recover it. Once restored, the video retains its original link. To share the link, go to the video details and copy the shareable link. Loom's link sharing system includes dynamic permissions, meaning you can set links to expire, require passwords, or even restrict access by geographic location. This feature was updated in Q4 2025. For advanced sharing, use Loom's embed codes for platforms like Slack, Zoom, or Google Drive. Make sure you have two-factor authentication enabled for sensitive videos to keep your content secure.